Car oil filter removes contaminants, protects engine components, improves oil quality, and ensures smooth performance. My today's video is about top 5 best car oil filter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wix Car Oil Filter. The Wix XP Oil Filter is a strong choice for drivers using synthetic oils under demanding conditions. Built specifically for extreme use like towing, heavy traffic, and long highway drives, it delivers reliable performance where standard filters may struggle. Its advanced synthetic blend media, combined with natural fibers, achieves impressive filtration efficiency, capturing 99% of contaminants at 23 microns without needing wire backing. One of its standout advantages is the extended service life, supporting up to 20,000-mile intervals, which pairs well with modern synthetic oils and reduces maintenance frequency. Installation is straightforward thanks to its precise, vehicle-specific design, making it convenient for both DIY users and professionals. Overall, this filter offers durability, high efficiency, and long-lasting performance. Just be sure to confirm compatibility with your vehicle before purchase to get the best results. Now our second product is Wujexuhe Oil Filter. This oil filter and gasket set is a reliable replacement option for a wide range of Lexus models, offering solid compatibility across GS, GX, IS, and RC series vehicles. Designed to match OEM part numbers, it ensures proper fitment when verified correctly, which is essential for smooth installation and performance. The use of high-quality, wear and corrosion-resistant materials adds confidence in its long-term durability. Its primary strength lies in delivering a secure seal, helping prevent oil leaks that could otherwise lead to engine issues. The included gasket plays a crucial role, and proper installation, especially removing old gaskets and lightly oiling the new one, ensures optimal sealing. Overall, this set provides dependable performance and value for Lexus owners looking for a compatible, durable oil filter solution. Just double-check your vehicle model before purchasing to avoid fitment issues. Our third product is ACDelco Car Oil Filter. This GM Genuine Parts Oil Filter is built with a clear focus on protecting engine components from harmful contaminants. Its DuraGuard media offers solid filtration efficiency and strong dirt-holding capacity, helping keep abrasive particles out of critical engine areas. Designed specifically for modern GM engines, it features proper bypass settings to match higher oil flow demands, an important detail that helps prevent unfiltered oil from reaching engine bearings. The inclusion of a nylon poppet-style bypass valve adds to its durability and consistent performance under pressure. Compared to generic filters, this model reduces the risk of premature wear or damage caused by incorrect bypass settings. Backed by General Motors, it reflects strict engineering and testing standards, ensuring reliability and compatibility. Overall, it's a dependable choice for GM vehicle owners who want a well-matched, high-quality oil filter that supports long-term engine health and performance. Now number 4 is Xumdovipu Car Oil Filter. This oil filter is a versatile replacement option with wide compatibility across many Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and Volkswagen vehicles equipped with 3.2L and 3.6L V6 engines. It matches numerous OEM part numbers, making it a practical choice for drivers looking for a reliable aftermarket solution, provided they verify fitment before purchase. Built with premium filter media, it effectively captures impurities, helping reduce engine wear and extend overall engine life. The construction feels durable and designed for long-term use, while still allowing straightforward installation, which is convenient for both DIY users and professionals. A key advantage is the included high-quality rubber O-ring, ensuring a tight and secure seal to prevent leaks and maintain consistent engine performance under different driving conditions. Overall, it delivers dependable filtration, solid build quality, and wide application coverage, making it a strong maintenance choice for compatible vehicles. And our last choice is Purolator Car Oil Filter. This Purolator One oil filter is designed for strong, long-lasting engine protection with a focus on extended performance. Its high-density synthetic blend media effectively captures over 99% of dirt, helping keep the engine clean for up to 15,000 miles. This extended service life makes it a practical option for drivers who prefer fewer oil changes without compromising protection. A standout feature is the PTFE-treated gasket, which ensures a secure, leak-resistant seal while also making installation easier. The silicone anti-drainback valve is another important addition, preventing dry starts by maintaining consistent oil flow even after the vehicle has been idle, reducing engine wear during startup. Durability is well supported by metal end caps and a double helix high-flow center tube, giving the filter strong structural integrity for tough driving conditions. Overall, it offers reliable filtration, solid build quality, and versatile compatibility, making it a dependable choice for many vehicles when properly fitted. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.